Thank you for being a member of Historic St. Mary's City. Today, I will be guiding you through the process of downloading your Historic St. Mary's City digital membership card onto your Android phone using the WalletPass app. If you have an iPhone or would prefer to use the Google Pay app, we invite you to check out our other videos. This process will require an Android phone that is version 4.0 or later and the use of either the Safari or Chrome web browser. First, open your email account and find a message titled, Your New Membership Card from the Historic St. Mary's City Foundation. If you already have WalletPasses installed on your phone, you may skip to the timestamp on the screen. If you do not, scroll down to the section about downloading onto an Android device. Click the link embedded in the phrase WalletPasses from Google Play, which will guide you to that page in the Google App Store. Install the app. Return to the home screen. You will see that a shortcut to WalletPasses has been automatically added. Go back to the email from Historic St. Mary's City. Scroll down until you reach the yellow Download Membership Card button. Click this button. Click Add it to WalletPasses. Click OK. Your digital membership card has been successfully downloaded onto your device. Note that this membership card includes your name, your member ID, your member level, and the expiration date of your digital membership card. Finally, note the lowercase I at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Click this button. You are now viewing the back of your digital membership card. This includes important information such as your membership benefits, the hours of operation of Historic St. Mary's City, our website, and the contact information of the Historic St. Mary's City Foundation. When you are done looking at the back, simply click Done in the upper right-hand corner. This will take you back to the front of the membership card. Return to the home screen. You can access this membership card at any time by opening WalletPasses. Thank you for your membership. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding both the installation and features of your membership card. If you require more assistance, you can reach us at membership@digshistory.org or 800-762-1634. If you would like a physical card as well as your digital card, or if you would like a second digital membership card for someone on your account, reach out to the email address provided on the screen. Cards cannot be shared. If you experience trouble with this download, you can access the Museum FAQ by following the link on the screen. The Historic St. Mary's City Foundation email address and phone number, as well as the link to the Museum FAQ, can all be found in the video description.